Welcome to Soul Daily Meditation, your sanctuary for healing, wisdom, and gentle strength. Today's meditation is about the lotus in the mud, a timeless reminder of how beauty can rise from adversity. Close your eyes and let the world fall away behind your lids. Let my voice carry you to a serene lotus pond in ancient China, where stillness meets soul. Now, bring one hand to your belly. Feel the warmth of your body. Today, we'll breathe with the rhythm of 4-4-6-2, a flow inspired by the resilience of the lotus. Inhale for 4 counts through the nose. The budding of life slowly take root. Hold for 4, the pause before transformation. Exhale for 6 through the mouth. Flower blooming beautifully, unstoppable. Hold for 2, the stillness and presence as we pause to admire the world. Make sure your belly rise as you inhale and fall as you exhale. Let's travel together 3 times. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And rest. Let your breath return to a natural rhythm. Stay with your body. Stay with your breath. In through the nose and out through the mouth. Everyone adored the elegant peonies, which grew from rich soils. But one Chinese poet was mesmerized by the lotus for both her beauty and resilience. He wrote, "Grows from mud, yet untainted, washed by ripples, but not provocative, has a straight stem and mind, untangled by branches. It carries a fragrance of distant clarity, pure, fresh, and unintrusive. It stands tall and dignified, to be admired from afar, not to be toyed with. The lotus is born in darkness, rooted in mud, surrounded by murky water. Most seeds would not survive such harsh environments. But the lotus stretches toward the light, inch by inch, never rushing. And then one day, it blooms. Not in spite of the mud, but because of it. The lotus pushes through the mud with all its might. It is not inferior to lilies or roses or peonies who are born with privileges and care. It embraces where it came from and still chooses to open. You might have grown up in hard places, misunderstood homes, or under silent pressure or blinded by darkness and the unknown. But like the lotus, what shaped you does not define you. What matters is your rise, your quiet choice to keep going, to stretch toward your light. Even the muddiest waters cannot stain what is rooted in grace. Now, imagine you're in a still pond at dawn. The air is soft, mist lingers over water. You are a lotus seed, deep in the mud. It's dark, but something in you knows there is more above. You begin to grow slowly, silently, pushing through the mud. You feel pressure, resistance, but you keep rising. Light begins to touch you. You break through the water surface. You open, one petal at a time. Now you're in full bloom, radiant, whole, not because you avoided hardship, but because you faced it and kept growing. You are the lotus. Let's breathe that in together. Repeat the cycle of 4, 4, 6, 2, 3 times. Feel ourselves unperturbed by the outside forces, strongly grounded. There's no envy because you are admired for your strength and beauty. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 2, 1. Inhale 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Continue resting in this stillness. Let your breath be soft, belly rise as you inhale through the nose, and drop as you exhale through the mouth for the next moments. I will bring you back to the present world when it's time. As you slowly return, place both hands over your heart. Remember, what you've been through is the soil of your strength. If there hadn't been the mud, there wouldn't be the lotus, and the light is always within reach. Gently open your eyes and have a wonderful day enriched by the power of lotus. Thank you for joining us on Soul Daily Meditation. If this touched your heart, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you again.